Have you ever wondered why the moon changes shape in the night sky? Well, it all starts with the new moon, when it's positioned between the Earth and the Sun. From there, the moon begins to wax or grow into a waxing crescent. The first quarter follows, showcasing half of the moon's surface illuminated by the sun. As the moon continues on its orbit, we enter the waxing gibbous phase, where more than half of its face shines brightly. Then comes the spectacle of the full moon with all its splendor, fully illuminated by the sun. After this peak, the moon begins to wane or shrink. We encounter the waning gibbous, followed by the third quarter, and finally the waning crescent. The moon isn't actually changing shape though, it's all a matter of perspective. The relative positions of the Earth, moon, and sun dictate how much of the moon we can see. So, the moon doesn't change its shape, we just see different amounts of the moon illuminated by the sun. Now that we understand the moon's phases, let's delve into its features. Have you noticed the moon's face isn't smooth but rather marked with a myriad of features? Our moon, a silvery globe suspended in the night sky, is a world of contrasts. It's a celestial body that's been battered and shaped over billions of years, its face etched with the history of space itself. The moon is a canvas of craters, highlands, and maria, each telling a story of cosmic collisions, volcanic activity, and slow geological transformation. Craters, the moon's most noticeable features, are scars left by meteor impacts. Some are small, others enormous, like the South Pole Aitken Basin, which stretches a staggering 1,600 miles across, roughly the distance from New York to Dallas. Imagine, for a moment, a crater so large you could fit almost 2 entire states within it. The moon's highlands, on the other hand, are bright, rugged areas that cover much of the lunar surface. They're the oldest parts of the moon, formed over 4 billion years ago. These highlands are a testament to the moon's age and the countless meteor impacts it has endured over eons. Then, there are the maria, those dark, flat areas that form the man in the moon. Contrary to their serene appearance, the maria are actually vast plains of solidified lava, formed when the moon was still geologically active. They're younger than the highlands, but at 3 billion years old, they're still ancient by any standard. But perhaps one of the most intriguing features of the moon is what it lacks: an atmosphere and weather. Without an atmosphere to protect it, the moon's surface is exposed to the harsh conditions of space, preserving its features almost unchanged for billions of years. Despite its calm appearance, the moon's surface tells a tale of cosmic chaos and transformation. So the next time you gaze up at the moon, remember, you're not just looking at a celestial body, but a timeline of our universe's fascinating history. The moon has always fascinated humanity, but how much do we really know about our closest celestial neighbor through exploration? Our journey to the moon began over half a century ago, with unmanned missions paving the way. In the late 50s, the Soviet Luna program launched the first spacecraft to reach the moon, Luna 1. This mission provided early insights into the moon's lack of a magnetic field and radiation belts. Soon after, the United States Apollo program took a giant leap forward, culminating in the historic Apollo 11 mission. In July of 1969, astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the lunar surface, an event watched by millions around the globe. Their footprints, along with the American flag and scientific equipment, remain preserved on the moon's surface, a testament to this monumental achievement. In the years that followed, more missions were launched, each contributing to our understanding of the moon. We've learned about its composition, geology, and the presence of water ice in permanently shadowed regions. These discoveries have fueled theories about the moon's origin and opened up possibilities of it harboring life in the future. Today, lunar exploration is far from over, with countries around the world planning and executing missions. China's Chang'e program, India's Chandrayaan missions, and NASA's Artemis program all aim to further our understanding of the moon and prepare for future human settlement. These endeavors hold the promise of turning science fiction into reality, as plans for lunar bases and sustainable human presence on the moon unfold. Yet, the moon is not just an object of scientific curiosity, it's a stepping stone for humanity's journey deeper into space, a testing ground for technologies, and a potential source of resources. From our first steps on its surface to future plans of lunar bases, the moon continues to captivate us as we reach for the stars.